Hi, here I'm at A-KRAFT Tools, and I'm with May and Irene. They're gonna showcase us their A-Pro circuit sets. Let's check it out.
We are A-KRAFT. A-KRAFT is a professional tool manufacturer. It is established in 1988. It has been a variety of professional products. All the products are made in Taiwan. Now we are going to present the worthwhile product, the A-Pro series, to you. As you can see, there are 6 sides of the case. This is the large case, and there are many great features on it. We will show you the detail by step. First of all, we install a new structure with spring inside the metal lock. Just by one touch to release the metal lock. It's really friendly for users. The other detail is the handle. The handle put on top. It makes case easier to open. However, it cannot be opened when it's upside down. This for a secure reason. It prevents the tool inside from falling and dropping if you careless put the case upside down. The second feature is about a desired design for the case. Please have a look. There are special patterns on case, just like a joint. It enables two cases to overlap firmly without moving. Here are some highlights for the design of the case. The embossed logo is available to highlight your brand. It makes the case available when you see it. First impression is always very important, right? Then, I would like to see the case. The trick is not only a pin. It also offers no zipping function. Let's go to the metal hinge. It gives longer lifetime for the case. The last, the EVA and PE foam tray are getting more popular. So we invest all the tooling for each case of the case. To make room for tray. It not only looks great, but also means that the contents can be designed and changed wherever you want without any additional tooling cost. From above presentation, we certainly you have a general idea about A-KRAFT and A-Pro series case. You are welcome to visit our website for more information or contact us for our service. You can trust A-KRAFT. We deliver. Thank you very much for the time.